Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Glassdoor account's profile picture. So let's go ahead and do it right now. Open your Glassdoor application and then also make sure to log into your account. From the main homepage of Glassdoor, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. From the profile page, tap on Update Profile on Web. It'll then take you to Glassdoor.com website. Now, go ahead and tap on the pencil icon right next to your profile picture at the top left-hand corner. You can then change or update your profile picture. Simply tap on Select File, choose either your photo library or Take Photo option and take a picture from your camera, or you can also choose an existing photo from Choose File option and select the picture of your choice. Select one of the options and pick a profile picture for yourself and tap on Done. Once you are done selecting a file, tap on Update. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your Glassdoor account's profile picture. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.